Panasonic HC-X20 4K Camcorder Bundle, the creator's all-in-one power kit revealed. Have you ever felt like your gear just can't keep up with your vision? Maybe your footage looks flat, shaky, or your setup slows you down when inspiration hits. That sinking feeling of knowing your tools are holding you back is frustrating. Drop a comment if this sounds familiar. We've all been there, and the right solution can change everything. When projects pile up, the pressure to deliver smooth, professional video can feel overwhelming. Stress builds, shots get missed, and editing becomes a nightmare. Burnout lurks around the corner. Now, imagine a camcorder that doesn't just record but actually works with you, keeping focus sharp, stream stable, and footage crystal clear. Imagine control without chaos. That's what this bundle promises. The Panasonic HC-X20 4K Mobile Camcorder Bundle is more than a camera. It's a full production partner built for creators who demand reliability and versatility. Imagine capturing an outdoor wedding with 20 times optical zoom, then instantly live streaming the same event to Facebook or YouTube without a computer. That's the kind of flexibility professionals crave. With dual SD card slots, you'll never lose critical footage, and relay recording keeps rolling when one card fills up. A large 1-inch sensor delivers sharp detail and depth, even in low light, while hybrid OIS Plus ensures handheld shots stay steady. Add in Wi-Fi and IP streaming, HDMI output, and USB-C for webcam use, and suddenly one device handles nearly every production task. This 31-item bundle pushes it further with a 128 GB Extreme Pro card, LED light, ND filters, a Pro bag, editing software, and more. Here's the bonus tip. Creators say the included filters save hours in post-production, letting you shoot clean in bright daylight without compromises. What makes this bundle remarkable isn't only the specs, it's the impact it has on real workflows. A pro reviewer called it a modern workhorse camcorder, praising the 4K 60p clarity and rich connectivity as genuine game changers for event videographers. A tech influencer raved, "The all-in-one kit means you can shoot professionally the moment you unbox. It's rare to see such a complete solution." Industry analysts highlight its strategic value, bridging traditional camcorders with today's streaming demands, while wedding videographers celebrate features like dual card slots and stabilization that keep them stress-free during once-in-a-lifetime ceremonies. Even documentary filmmakers note how streaming directly from the field to clients changes collaboration completely. Users consistently talk about confidence. One said, "I can only focus on storytelling now. The camera just works." Another claimed, "The LED light and filters save me hundreds of dollars and countless hours." Which feature speaks to you most? Seamless streaming, pro audio, or stabilized 4K clarity? Comment below and join the conversation. See why thousands can't stop talking about this kit. It's the Swiss Army knife for modern creators. This isn't just a camcorder, it's your next production breakthrough. Thousands of creators, journalists, and event pros have already made the switch and are capturing sharper, smoother, more reliable video every day. With pro-level 4K, robust streaming, and a complete accessory pack, you're not just buying gear, you're unlocking freedom. Don't just watch others level up, join them. Click now, secure your bundle, and discover the hidden features waiting to transform your storytelling journey.